So this is an update to a AI agent that's just become available from Google. It's the Gemini CLI, and it's very simple to set up. There's an article all about it, and basically it's free of charge. You log in with your Google account, you get a free license, and you get 60 requests per minute and 1,000 requests a day at no charge. So you can use, that's actually absolutely amazing. And all it is a command line interface. So you can fetch web pages, you can extend it with MCP, and you can customize prompts and instructions for your specific need and workflow. So yeah, it's very good to get it all set up, and it's easy to get started. So I've already obviously installed it, but this is the GitHub repo, and you literally just follow the instructions. You have to have Node.js installed, and all you have to do is open your command line and run this first. So if you open your command line, and run that, it's going to install Gemini CLI. And then afterwards you can put Gemini. So if I put in Gemini, and there it is. So I can log in. I can actually use a API key. If I wanted to use the API key, I would get it from AI Studio, and I have one here, or you can create a new one. And how you would get that is you would go to, if you're on Windows, edit environment variables, and you basically say API key. So in the user variable, and once that's done, it will automatically read it. So I'm using API key, and it will do that for me. So if I just escape that for now, I'll log in with Google and I'll come back. So here we are. This is the CLI, and you just ask it questions. You could say, write a readme file that covers the basics of setting up Gemini CLI on Windows using npm, and it's going to take the information and it's going to write the readme file. So it checks with me, saying, it's going to, it wants to know if I want to write, and I say yes. And there I go. So I've created it. So you can say open the file. You can say open the file in VS Code. Yes, allow once. So now it's going to open the file. The VS Code should open. Oh. Okay, it says it's. So this is what it created. This is a README document, and all of that was created from the CLI. So obviously you could use this. I've used it to create a project with Astro. I wrote most of the code, and then it opened the folder for me in VS Code, and I was able to run it, and it was working. So this is definitely a game changer. It's free, so it's not like Cursor or Windsurf where you have to pay. And you can even extend it by obviously adding your API key, and you can see which version it's using, and there's a lot of you can always change the method, so you can either use Gemini, Vertex AI, or log in with Google, or you can set external editors. I've got mine as you got chat as well. You can press in chat history. So yeah, this is definitely a really good tool, and it's going to be amazing if you want AI in your workflow. So yeah, it's just a cool free thing that you can use now, which is going to be awesome.